Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine using pineapple. First, choose ripe pineapples. Their sweetness is key for a delicious wine. Next, ensure all your equipment, from fermenters to stirring spoons, is completely sanitized to avoid any unwanted bacteria. Finally, gather your essential ingredients, including a good wine yeast and the right amount of sugar, before you begin the exciting process of crafting your own tropical beverage. Once prepped, combine your fresh pineapple juice, sugar, and water in a clean fermenter. Stir well until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, introduce your wine yeast, which will kickstart the magical fermentation process. Seal the fermenter with an airlock to allow gases to escape while keeping air out. Remember to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for the best results. After primary fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. This means carefully siphoning the liquid off the sediment at the bottom, which helps clarify your wine. You might repeat this process a few times. Then, allow your wine to age for several months. This patience will reward you with a richer, more complex flavor profile. Finally, bottle your beautiful homemade pineapple wine in sterilized bottles, ready for enjoyment. While making wine, you might encounter issues like slow fermentation or unexpected flavors. Don't worry, many common problems have simple solutions, often involving temperature adjustments or nutrient additions. Once bottled, ensure your pineapple wine is stored in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality and taste. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining its delightful characteristics over time. For more tips and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.